Hey everybody, and welcome to our next Excel assignment, sorting data. In this assignment we're going to be able to have a bunch of information in an Excel spreadsheet and sort it so it looks a lot more presentable, a lot more user friendly, and just kind of gets the point across of what we want our reader to see when they see our spreadsheet. So let's get into it. So our learning goal today, students will be able to sort data in Excel. Your objective for today is that you're going to click on the GCF Learn Free link provided. You're going to read through the material, watch the video, and download the practice document on page 1. Our vocab for today is ascending, descending, and function. And then our lesson scale, if you are a level 1, students can open and save a new Excel document. Level 2, you can navigate the ribbon of Excel, find specific cells and cell ranges, apply themes, and modify document properties. Level 3, students can properly sort data in Excel with or without teacher video assistance. And finally, level 4, students can properly sort data in Excel and create a visual representation of the data, i.e. a chart, a bar graph, a pie chart, something without me needing to show you the correct way. Alright, you're going to go ahead and open up this link in your internet browser. You're going to want to watch this video. It helps explain how the sorting works in more detail. Obviously, you're going to download the practice workbook right here. I want to enable editing. I'm going to File, Save As, Desktop, and I'm going to name it Sorting Data. And then I'm going to click OK. Alright, so here I am. Now here is my worksheet. First thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just minimize this a little bit because there's too much going on that I can't see everything. And if I minimize it to about the zoom to about 80%, that's what I want to do. So I just took the zoom down a little bit. Again, if you want it bigger, you can, but I like to see everything on my screen all at one time. So 80% zoom is what I pretty much want. Alright. Moving on to the sorting data. Here is your requirements for today. We're going to have about 12 steps, nothing too bad. Sheet 1 through 5 is just going to be the new stuff, and then 6 through 12 is going to be review of things that we should have done before on previous Excel assignments. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it right now. Alright, so number 1, sort a worksheet in ascending or descending order. I want you to sort by last name, column C, A through Z. Alright, so if I have my Excel worksheet right here, you can see that I have homeroom, first name, last name, t-shirt size, payment method, and this little box over here about orders and how many on each day. So this just kind of looks like a mess. My homeroom is all messed up, my first name, nothing's in order, small, it's just not the easiest to read. So we're going to go in here and same data, just make it easier to read. So first thing I want to do is sort by last name. So what you need to do is click in the last name column right here. I might do a little bit of clicking like I just did, and then you will see in the editing section you have a sort and filter button. If you go ahead and click on that, you can drop down to sort by A to Z, so from A to Z in the alphabet, last name, or from the other way, Z to A. So it's kind of cool. We're just going to go A to Z right now. And as you can see, it just changed from A to Y is the last letter, but it's all alphabetical order. Kind of cool. Alright, number 2. Excuse me, I'm going to move my screen over here. Sort a cell range. Using the example, sort the cell range in the cell range G3 to H7 from highest to lowest by orders of column H. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click on G3, go to H7, and then I'm going to sort this. Now, if I just try to come here and sort this data from A to Z, highest to lowest, nothing really happens. So as you can see, I'm trying to sort it. When I went from highest to lowest, it's not highest to lowest. That's because it's going from the highest date to the lowest date, if you can see that. So it's not really working the way I want it to. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that a couple times. Now let's retry this. So if I want to sort this data a specific way, I'm going to go to my data group, and then right here you will see sort. Go ahead and click on sort. Now this dialog box opens up. The cool thing you can do here now is in this sort by, you can click the drop down and figure out what you want to sort by. Well, I want to sort by orders. I want it to be values, and I want it to be largest to smallest. So highest to lowest, largest to smallest, right here, and click OK. And now it's sorted by my orders 10, 7, 5, 5, and disregarded the dates, which is kind of cool. So that is number 2. Number 3, add a level to the sort and sort it by cell color, font color, or cell icon. So you can see here in your big chart that you have these red areas of people not paying one's pending, check bounce, pending, pending, check bounce, wrong amount. So those are wrong. That's why they're highlighted in red. Well, maybe it'd be easier if you could figure out them all up top and what day and stuff and a little bit more organized. So that's why we're going to organize this right now. So what you're going to do is go ahead and click on payment method. Again, it's kind of a pain because of that little picture there. And you're going to go to sort. Now what I want to sort by here is payment method. And I want to sort by a cell color because those cell colors are red. So I want to sort by cell colors. Pick the red color because it automatically reads what color is in there. And then I want them to be on top just like that. And then click OK. So now you can see that it organized these cells by the color of the payment date just like this. So it's kind of cool how that worked. Now I want to add another level and sort it using a custom list. So number 4, create a custom list to sort by t-shirt size, column D, and the order of small, medium, large, and extra large. So what you're going to do here is click on column D. Again, it's being a pain. I still remember this being that difficult. Maybe them t-shirt size. There we go. I had it. Okay, t-shirt size. So same thing. I'm going to go to data. I'm going to go to sort. You can see it already has my sort by with the payment method. I want a new one, so I'm going to add a level right here. And I want to sort by t-shirt size values. However, I want a custom list. So I'm going to come here and go to custom list. Now, what I can do here is I can just start typing in my list that I want. You can see it's here. I already did it earlier today, but I can go small. This is what you're going to do, small. Hit enter, medium. Hit enter, large. Hit enter, extra large. And you have to spell it the way that I'm spelling it right now, or else it's not going to pull up properly. Once you do this, just go ahead and click add. And then now it will come up over here. So then what you have to do over here is click on this in the custom list and click OK. And then now it's going to sort by the payment method and then by the t-shirt size. Now click OK. And there we go, just like that. So first importance was the payment method. So as you can see here, my payment method stayed up top. And then it's sorted by the size right down here, which is kind of cool. And same thing in here, small, small, medium, large, large, extra large. So it still sorted these the way I wanted it to. Obviously, it's just two different groups because of having the red and not having the red right here. So this is what you want to see. All right, number 4. We did that. Number 5, the last step for the new one. Reorder the list to sort by t-shirt name or t-shirt size first, then homeroom number, and then last name A to Z. All right, let's figure this out. So what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cells again, or click on any one, doesn't really matter, as long as you can click on the top one. I'm going to go to sort. So I first want to sort by t-shirt size. So I'm going to come here and I'll move this level up. So to move it up, just click this little up arrow. So first important thing, t-shirt size. Keep it the custom list. And yep, that's good there. Then if this doesn't change the custom list, let's say if it goes A to Z, change it to custom list, go to small, medium, click OK. And then now you're good, just like that. Then I want to sort by homeroom number, and I want that to be a value, and I want that to be smallest to largest. That's fine. And then finally, I'm going to add a new level, and I want to sort by last name value A to Z, and then click OK. And there you go, just like that. So you can see that the red changed finally because it was not a criteria anymore, but now all my shirt sizes are from small, medium, large, extra large in my group. Then it's sorted by room number. So all my smalls, it went by the smallest to the largest. And then in there, it went by the last name of A to Z, which should have been, yep, right here. So obviously it couldn't do the best it can because I had to go to the room number first and then the last name, but it did its best of organizing by last name according to the room number and how that worked. So if you get yours to look just like this, 105 Melissa White small debit card, and it looks like this on the bottom, 220B Carla Nicholas extra large money order, you're good to go there. Alright, number 6, rename a sheet. This is just review now. So rename a sheet. Right click here, sheet 1. I want to rename it orders. There we go. Number 7, I want to change this tab color to dark purple accent to darker 50%. What's this? It's purple. It's this one. Dark purple accent to darker 50%. Right there. Tab color change. Then number 8, insert text into a cell. In cell G8, insert the text total number of orders. So I'm going to come down here, find G8, type in total number of orders, just like that. Make my column width bigger by double clicking on that like I just did. Then I want to put, for number 9, use a function. In cell H8, use a function to find the total number of orders placed. So if I want to find the sum, the total of these, I'm going to go equals, and then I can go to my insert tab, my formulas tab, auto sum, and go to sum. If I click on it right there, it realizes what I want, and I can hit enter, and then it gives me the total. Or you can go equals sum, just type it, hit the tab key on your keyboard, highlight the cells, close it, enter, and you have a couple ways to hit it, 27, just like that. So that was number 9. Number 10, apply a fill color. Apply a dark green accent 4 lighter 40% fill color to cells G4, H8. So G4, H8, I want a specific type of fill color of dark green, accent 4, lighter 40%, lighter 60%, accent 4, lighter 80%, lighter 40% right there, just like that. Alright, number, let's see here, number 11, align specific cells. Center align cell range A2 to E2. So here's A2 to E2. I'm going to center align those, just like that. There you go. And then finally, modify document properties. In the keywords property field, enter orders. I'm going to go File, my properties. If you don't see the keywords any area anywhere in here, what you need to do is click on Properties, Show Document Panel. And then in here, you can see you have more key properties. And right there's the keywords. And you just type in orders, hit enter, click out of it, hit the X right here, and you are good to go. That is your assignment. So that's pretty much all you're doing today. One simple formula for total orders numbered. Again, that's a formula. Sum equals sum H4 to H7. Or you can add them up. It's up to you, however you want to do it. But that is what you're working on today. Hopefully that wasn't too bad for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions as you're working. I'll come by and help you. And I will talk to everybody later. Bye.